Hey guys, welcome to Plumbing with Tim Quick Tips. Today we're going to show you a real quick and easy method of how you know how much pressure to put in your thermal expansion tank when you're working on a well system that doesn't have a pressure gauge. So we got our expansion tank. It usually comes pre-charged residential at 40 pounds, and we have a well system sitting here and there's no pressure gauge whatsoever. The first thing you want to do is take and unplug your pump so you have no power. Second of all is take the top knob off your pressure switch. Okay, get my glasses off so I can see. Pull the cap off, look down underneath, and take a look and find out what that switch is rated for. It's either going to be a 30-50 or a 40-60. So whatever the top cutoff is, say it's a 30-50, you're going to pressurize this tank to 50 pounds. Now if it's a 40-60, you're going to pressurize the expansion tank to 60 pounds. Now some of you guys might argue, hey, why don't you just go ahead and put a pressure gauge on the side of your house at a spigot and stuff. Well, things regulate a little bit differently when it comes to a well pump, and you can get some inaccurate readings. So I feel much better if I'm pressurizing my thermal expansion tank to the highest cutoff when it comes to the pressure switch on my well pump. Okay, I took out, and there's your Schrader valve, and of course we want to have ourselves a pressure gauge and stuff. Like I said, these come pre-charged residential, usually about 40 pounds from the factory. As you can see, it's test pressure 100 psi. That means that's rated up to 100 pounds. Now hopefully you don't have 100 pounds of water pressure coming into your house, or else you should probably at this time have a pressure regulator put on there. But like I said, if you have a 30-50 switch that's on your well pump, the highest number, 50, is where you want to pre-charge this to. If it's a 40-60, then you want to charge this to 60 pounds. Well, hey, that's all the time we got for this Plumbing with Tim quick tip. I hope this helped you out a little bit. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please leave them down below. And please do not forget to subscribe. Till next time, this has been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.